latest gas. Latest gas. What is the latest gas? We already know hydrogen is the first element. First element means with one proton, no neutrons. So it is the lightest gas. Lightest gas is the hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest gas. Next one, fastest animal. What is the fastest animal of the world? Fastest animal of the world. Everybody knows fastest animal of the world. Please comment your answer. Fastest animal of the world. Before that, we can just cross check previous things. Highest volcano of the world, Ojos del Salado. Highest volcano of the world, Ojos del Salado, Argentina, Chile. Largest volcano, Mauna Loa, Hawaii Mauna Loa ആണ് largest volcano. Latest gas, hydrogen. What is the fastest animal? Our question is, what is the fastest animal? You comment your answer if you know. Fastest animal cheetah ആണ്, cheetah or leopard. Cheetah ആണ്